Have you ever dreamed of creating your own children's picture book, but didn't know where to start? Maybe you have a great story idea, but no drawing skills or design experience. Well, what if I told you that now, with the help of AI, you can create a complete picture book, from story to illustrations to publishing, in just a few hours? Today, I'll show you an incredible AI platform called Read Kids, your personal AI partner for creating and publishing beautiful picture books that can even earn you real income on Amazon KDP. Read Kids AI is an all-in-one platform designed for storytellers, parents, teachers, and creators who want to turn imagination into illustrated books. It combines story generation, image creation, layout design, and publishing tools all in one place. You don't need to be a writer or an artist. Just describe your story idea, and Read Kids automatically creates stunning illustrations that match your scenes and characters with consistent styles throughout the story. You can also edit everything easily, change text, add stickers, choose fonts, adjust backgrounds, and pick from over 200 artistic styles. And the best part? The books you create are 100% copyright free and belong to you, so you can publish them on Amazon KDP, or even turn them into YouTube videos to earn passive income. Let's walk through how it works. Start by entering your idea or a short story description. You can write a line like, "A little dragon who learns to share his treasure with friends," and the AI will generate a complete story outline for you. Next, choose your art style. Read Kids supports over 200 child-friendly illustration styles, from watercolor to cartoon to 3D. Once you confirm, AI automatically creates character portraits, scenes, and layouts that match your story. Here's where it gets exciting. You can refine your pages using ChatPS, a smart feature that lets you adjust images just by describing what you want. For example, say, "Make the dragon smile." Or "Add more stars in the sky." And AI updates it instantly. You can preview your entire book before publishing. Once you're happy, export it as a high-quality file ready for Amazon KDP, or share it as a YouTube story video with narration and background music. The platform even supports 8+ languages and AI dubbing, so you can reach global audiences easily. Click Add VoiceOver. You can choose a narrator for each page, or use the same narrator for the entire story. Listen to the available voices and pick the one that best fits your video. Then click Generate to create the voiceover. Next, add background music and click Generate Video. You can adjust effects, animation style, and background music settings for your video. Press Enter and let Read Kids create your kids' story video. Within minutes, your book turns into a fully narrated storybook video, just like the viral channels we looked at earlier. And the best part, you did it all with a single tool. Let's take a look at the result.
The Little Dragon's Golden Promise. High up in misty Cloud Mountain, in a cave edged with silver stones, lived a tiny dragon called Lumio, with scales the color of spring grass and amber eyes that sparkled like honey. Lumio had...
Now, here's where it gets even better. Using Read Kids, many creators are already publishing on Amazon KDP and earning real income. In one case, a single children's picture book sold over 50 copies in its first month at $9.99 each, earning about $250 in revenue with an 80% profit margin. And because these books stay live, they keep generating passive income every month. So you're not just creating stories, you're building digital assets that can bring in continuous earnings. Before we wrap up, let's talk about one of the coolest new tools, the one-click ebook feature. With this, you don't have to click through each image one by one during the picture generation process. It automatically compiles everything into a finished book layout, saving you time and effort. Along with that, Read Kids also includes AI Image Tool. Create standalone kids-style art with full control and 200+ presets. AI Filter. Turn real photos into cartoon or animated stories. Image to video tool. Make your static pictures come alive as short animations for social media. These tools make Read Kids a complete creative ecosystem for parents, artists, educators, and storytellers. If you've ever wanted to publish your own children's book, or just explore your creative side, Read Kids makes it easier than ever. You can sign up today and get standard access features valid for 1 month when you register through my referral link. Note, the 10,000 bonus points mentioned in earlier promotions are no longer included. So go ahead, try it out, and start bringing your imagination to life. The link is in the description below. This is your chance to become a published author. Share your stories with the world, and maybe even build a new source of income, all with Read Kids AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of story you'd create first.